Keep learning with Priya ma'am.
Hello children, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am going to tell you a story. Name of the story is A Fairy and a Bird. Once upon a time, there was a poor sparrow named Tweety. She was very poor with 2 eggs. One day she thought, soon my babies will come out of my eggs and I must have to find a good job to take care of my kids. She goes to a wise owl for a job. Dear Olive, do you have any work for me? I need a job. Olive said, no, Tweety, I don't have any work for you, but Gori was asking for a house help. You can meet her for the job. Tweety visited to Gori and said, Dear Gori, do you need any house help? Gori said, yes, I need. What work are you able to do? Tweety said, I can do everything whatever you want. Gori assigned her for the job. Tweety do her work enthusiastically. She mopped the floor, dusted the furniture. She brings fruits and vegetables from the market. One day, she noticed the cracks on the walls. She was very stressed for her kids. She goes to Gori for help. Dear Gori, can you lend me some money? I need to get the house repaired. Gori said, Tweety, I can't help you right now. Sweetie was very sad. She goes to the deep forest. Dear God, please help me and please improve the condition of me. Suddenly she saw a golden egg. The egg was very beautiful. She goes near the egg as she breaks it. A beautiful fairy come out and said to her, Hey little bird, thank you. Make me free. I was trapped in this egg for a long time. Now you can make a wish. I will fulfill it. Tweety told her about the condition. Fairy revolved her magical wand and settled all the things. Tweety goes to her home. She was astonished to see her beautiful home with lots of food. After a few days, the babies come out of the eggs and Tweety spends her life with their kids happily. Dear children, I hope you like the story. If you like this story, please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So God bless to all of you and keep smiling.